Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, they're all from the brand called Humixx. So first thing first, let's actually unbox it to show you guys what each one looks like first, and then apply each one on to show you guys what it looks like on each case. So first one we have right here, they provide you a little thank you card obviously for all of them. But the first one we have here is a all clear with a little like I guess white or light green or light blue kind of color. So I noticed when I apply this on, it's actually really secure fit, like it's really nice. The buttons are really easy to use, very nice kind of like shockproof material throughout the case. I want to note that when you guys remove these cases, it's actually really stuck in there, so then it's hard to remove it, so that way it's actually protecting the phone really nicely. So next one we have right here is another kind of like all clear design kind of case. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very clear design. You guys can see all overall. And if you guys notice, this is not the iPhone 11, this is the iPhone 10R. Both of them are the same size. I don't have an iPhone 11 with me right now, so I'm showing you guys it on the iPhone XR or 10R. All the buttons on the sides are actually really easy to use as well. Kind of make that little clicking noise on it, but it's okay. Not a big issue. Same thing, if you guys want to remove it, having a little bit hard trying to remove it, so that way you guys know that it's actually secure and protect your phone pretty well. And then the last and final one right here, we have an all black corner design. So this is very similar to the first one I showed you guys with the light blue color, but this one's a little bit different with the color design, and the material is a little bit different as well. This one has a little bit more kind of like grippy material, so it kind of protects it from slipping, whatever. But when we put it all on, this actually looks really nice with the all black kind of design, see-through back right here, but on all the corners it's covered really nicely. It has a really nice feel. I think out of all three of these cases I just showed you guys just now, this one definitely has the best feel, and just overall design and feel for all these cases are really nice. The wireless charging works really well. You guys probably want to remove the sticker in all these cases when you guys first get it. Right here, you can see this little sticker right here. Remove that part and you guys can use it. If you guys don't remove it, it's still fine, but it's highly suggested to remove it. But now that we tested all these cases, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So all three of these cases cost around $15 to $16 for these cases, not including taxes and all that good stuff. But for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? I would have to say that these are actually really worth it, because the quality, you guys can definitely feel it. Like even for this material, it feels kind of like plasticky material, but then it's actually made out of really good clear crystal kind of material on here that will prevent it from any kind of damage. So it's not flexible in any way, so that can protect your phone from being cracked. And one thing I want to mention is these cases on the back. A lot of these are like translucent, or like shows the back. So if you guys want to show your phone, that's up to you guys. But for me, like I was saying in all my videos, I prefer to have a case like this where it kind of covers the back, so people won't really know. Like this is probably the only way they can know this is the iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max or the newest iPhone. If it's all covered in the back, they can't really tell, especially if you guys have your phone like this. So that's definitely one thing to consider when you guys are buying any kind of like cases in particular. So pretty much long story short, yes, these cases are worth it. Might be a little bit pricey, but if you guys are willing to spend $700 for a phone, they guys can spend $15 to $16 for a case to protect. And then obviously for those of you guys who don't want a case, I highly suggest that you guys get one, but then up to you guys at the end of the day if you guys want to get a case or not. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. And then as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Out Day, we have